Hi Apple fans, trying to decide between AirPods 4 and AirPods 4 with ANC? You are not alone. In this buyer guide, we will compare both options to help you choose the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. Here is the overview of AirPods 4 versus AirPods 4 with ANC. Apple has introduced the AirPods 4, which for the first time in the standard range offers an optional active noise cancellation features for an additional $50. This buyer's guide will help you navigate the differences between the two variants and determine which model best suits your needs. AirPods 4 versus AirPods 4 with ANC. Key features comparisons. Active noise cancellation for AirPods 4 standard, no. AirPods 4 with ANC, yes. Transparency mode, no. And yes for AirPods 4 with ANC. Adaptive audio, no for AirPods 4 standard, yes for AirPods 4 with ANC. Conversation awareness, no for AirPods 4 standard and yes AirPods 4 with ANC. Charging case, USB-C wired only in AirPods 4 standard and USB-C wireless charging case in AirPods 4 with ANC. Find my support, yes in AirPods 4 standard, yes with speaker in case in AirPods 4 with ANC. Weight of charging case in AirPods 4 standard 1.14 pounds which is 32.3 grams and AirPods 4 with ANC are of 1.22 pounds which is 34.7 grams. Price $129 for AirPods 4 standard and $179 for AirPods 4 with ANC. Here comes detailed features and benefits. Active noise cancellation ANC. The AirPods 4 with ANC provide a quieter listening experience, especially beneficial in noisy environments such as public transport or cafes. While their noise cancellation is not as effective as the AirPods Pro due to the lack of silicone tips, they still significantly reduce ambient noise, particularly lower frequencies like engine hums. Enhanced sound quality. Both models utilize Apple's H2 chip, which enhances sound quality and allows for features like personalized spatial audio. The new low distortion driver in both models improves overall audio performance. Comfort and fit. The redesigned shape of the AirPods 4 aims to provide a more comfortable fit based on a wide range of ear shapes. However, individual experiences may vary due to the one-size-fits-all design. Charging options. The standard AirPods 4 charge via USB-C only, while the ANC version supports wireless charging through Apple Watch chargers and Qi-certified devices, adding convenience for users who own multiple Apple products. Find My functionality. The charging case of the ANC model includes a built-in speaker that aids in locating misplaced earbuds, a feature not available in the standard version. Choosing between AirPods 4 model, AirPods 4 or AirPods 4 with ANC. Choose AirPods 4 if you are on a budget, you prefer an open-ear design and do not require noise cancellation. You do not need wireless charging capabilities. Choose AirPods 4 with ANC if you frequently find yourself in noisy environments and value noise cancellation. Additional features like adaptive audio and conversation awareness are important to you. You want the convenience of wireless charging and enhanced Find My features. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.